Hello, I will show you how to let GoPro Hero 5 live streaming with iOS, iPhone, iPad, iPhone. Now you will get the iCapture grabber card, DC adapter, Apple USB 3, Apple Lightning to USB 3 camera convert, USB 3 line, micro USB line. First, you connect all of them. Micro USB connect the iCapture grabber card. Okay, this is Lightning, Apple Lightning. You must prepare by yourself. Connect to the power. Okay. Before you use, please check your GoPro. Please open your power. And please check HDMI output. HDMI output have three kind of. You must select the live. Okay. And then close the GoPro. Now you will check the GoPro live video from the TV. Open GoPro. Sorry. And then connect the HDMI line with the TV. This is HDMI line. Okay. You will hear the echo and the live video. You will see the live video and the echo down. And then close the GoPro. Now we will connect the iCapture grabber card. Now okay, you will see at the same time charge. Open app. Mobile Live Live. You will see the blue line. After you see the blue line, this is the micro USB. Connect. GoPro. Do not open the power. Close. And the plug. After plug, open the power. See? You will see the live video. Okay. Set up the parameter. FB Live, Facebook Live, just the HD and the bitrate under the 4000 kbps. And set up the Facebook Live. After you plug the HDMI grabber card After you plug the iCapture HDMI graphics card, you will see the Facebook Live. Before you plug the HDMI iCapture graphics card, you do not see the Facebook Live. This is very important. Okay. Now live streaming. Okay, live now. Live streaming.